Hello wonderful people. Welcome to your pre-trek packing guide for your next high altitude trek. I am Kushal from Adventure Pulse and I am here to ensure that you pack all your essentials for your next adventure. This is more of a generic packing list which will help you for your next high altitude trek. So let's dive into it. The best way to pack in the mountains is by packing smart and light. To make sure you have a comfortable trekking experience, you need to pack all your essentials. But at the same time, you need to make sure that you're not overpacking so that it becomes very uncomfortable to carry all your stuff around. So first things first, let's talk about essential clothing and gear. Here's a quick checklist. We'll start with cotton t-shirts. So cotton t-shirts is something you wear as your first layer during the day when you're trekking and it's warm and your body is dynamic. And you will need 8 to 9 of them in your duffel bag. Next is a fleece jacket. A fleece jacket will be your second layer during the day and the night. Fleece jacket is more like a sweater that you wear during winters. It's a thick, soft material which will help keep you warm. Next thing is your down jacket. A down jacket will be your third layer during the night. It's like a puffer jacket with synthetic on the outside and feathers on the inside. This will keep you really warm during the night. Next is a raincoat. A raincoat will be your fourth layer in the mountains when it rains. Next is your trekking pants. You have to make sure your trekking pants are synthetic material and not cotton or denims. You also have to make sure they are very comfortable to walk around in. And you will need 3 to 4 pairs of these in your duffel bag. Next is you will need 5 to 6 pair of woolen socks and 5 to 6 pair of cotton socks. You will need cotton socks during the day to absorb your sweat, and you will need woolen socks at night to keep you warm. Next is your thermals. Your thermals will be your first layer during the night. Thermals, you get your uppers and your lowers. They are made up of synthetic material and they help trap your body heat and keep you warm. You will need 1 or 2 pairs of these. Okay, now that we are done with clothing, we move on to accessories. You need 2 pair of gloves. One is your inner liner and one is your outer glove. An inner liner is something that will keep you warm from the inside, and your outer glove is something that will protect you from the rains. Next, to protect you from the sun, you will need 2 things. One is a peak cap and the other is your sunshades.
You will also need a woolen cap. A woolen cap will protect your ears from the cold and it will also cover your head.
Carry 1 or 2 water bottles with you. You will at least need 1.5 to 2 liters of water every day on your trek. You will also need a toiletry kit. Make sure your toiletry bag has essentials like a toothpaste, a toothbrush, your sunscreen, your chapstick and a lotion. Now let's talk shoes. You need to look for specialized hiking or trekking boots which are high ankle and they are waterproof and they have long lugs. These shoes will help you get better grip and protect your ankles on uneven terrain. Do not forget to carry your floaters or your slippers or your sandals, because after a long day of trekking, you would want something comfortable to relax and walk around. Next is your day pack. Your day pack has to be at least 25 to 30 liters. A day pack is something you will carry with you every day during the trek. Your day pack will have certain things like your tiffin box, your water bottle, your cap, your sunglasses, your sunscreen, and every item that you quickly need while you're trekking during the day. Fantastic! You're now well equipped to pack for this incredible adventure. Remember, it's very crucial to pack smart and light. Every item should serve a purpose and add value to your trekking experience. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. We are here to help you every step of the way.